How to add a product on AliExpress to your wish list. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add any product on AliExpress to your wish list easy and fast. So first thing, this is my wish list, as you can see right here. If you want to add products here, all what you have to do is go to the home page and choose the product that you want to add. For example, I'm gonna choose this one here. Now if you want to add a product to your wish list, all what you have to do is go down and click on this heart emoji right here. Now it's added to wish list, as you can see. Now let's see the wish list, and here is it right here on my wish list. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.